guys, this is Liquid Ocelot and back with another Medium tutorial guys, and this one is a big request from a lot of people who are especially having issues with getting their articles curated, and they don't know which publications to join, especially those that are writing on startups, their history, background, businesses, stuff like that, and they're not getting any views on their articles. So I decided to make this tutorial for you guys. First of all, I'm going to show you why the startup publication on Medium is so important. It has over 683,000 people following it, and it is the largest active publication on Medium, the largest one. So if you are accepted into this publication, and what more so if your article is approved over here in this publication, there are 25 to 50% chances that your article will get curated, and over 500,000 people eyeballs will be on your article. And I have seen members from the startup, they are making over $3,000. That is the top 0.10% of Medium writers earning right now. So now that we have introduced what the startup application for Medium is, let me show you how you can become a writer on the startup. So first of all, you will go over here on this page, the startup publication, and here you can see this emoji of a pen holding hand, writers here. Click over here, my friends, and you will see a page by Ali Methi, and submit your Medium story to the startup in 2 easy steps. Now what you are going to do is scroll down, read everything of course, and then this form, you have to fill it up. Now my advice to you is, if you have a story that is similar to social media, startups or whatever, just fill up these form. It's very simple to do, and once you are done, inside 24 to 48 hours you will receive an email from the startup, and they are going to tell you that you have been approved as a writer. So I'm going to show you guys, this is the email that I received. They said that thank you for submitting your story to the startup via our form, and soon they said that you are going to be added as a writer on the startup. So I'm going to show you my publications page. I have come a long way ahead in Medium, my friends, and as you can see, this is my own publication, Live Your Life on Purpose, the Startup Illumination, a Club, Age of Awareness, the Post-Grad Survival Guide, Be Unique, the Writing Cooperative. This is the second biggest publication I am in right now. I am very lucky to be here. And the Heaven, which is for funny articles, but we are going to talk about the startup. Look at it, I am a writer over here. So this is the step of becoming a writer, my friends. Now the last step is that you have to go to new story, and you have, for example, written a whole story over here and you want to publish it. So what I'm going to do is, I know you guys already know about this, and I'm just going to show you an example. Just click over here, click add to publication, and click the startup, click select and continue, and then publish over here. Click publish. So the draft will go to the startup, and then they will take up to 3 days to approve or reject your article. They will email you. So I hope that you guys learned how to join the startup publication on Medium, the biggest publication on Medium right now. Thank you for watching. I'll be signing out. Take care, my friends.